Hi, I'm Mike Stark from Bill Caldwell Ford, and today for Feature Friday we're going to talk about one of the best things about buying a new vehicle is accessorizing it. If you're like a lot of our customers, your vehicle of choice is the F-150. It's the most popular vehicle in North America for great reason. And after you've picked out your new or pre-owned F-150, you're going to want to accessorize it with the proper equipment. I'm going to talk about some of the more popular ones. First, splash guards. You want to protect your investment. So the most popular splash guard for the F-150 is this custom fit molded splash guard, which is designed to fit right into the wheel lip molding without having to screw it in. It's clipped on for easy installation. Ford's custom fit all-weather floor liners are designed for each vehicle specifically. Now on this F-150, you'll notice that they custom covered floor. They have the appropriate lockdowns for the driver's side, and they are molded and with raised edges for to allow you to keep your rain, slush, and water securely in place. If you get a Super Crew, the black floor liner will cover the entire floor, including underneath the seats, so you've got full protection. Another popular accessory for the F-150, of course, is a tonneau cover. Now, there are a wide variety of choices for the tonneau cover. This one happens to be my favorite. This is articulated roll-up tonneau cover, which looks like your traditional vinyl tonneau cover. The secret's on the inside. It's actually got a full aluminum liner. So it's easy to roll up to give you full access to the entire bed, but it will secure your cargo much better than your traditional tonneau cover. And when it's time to secure your cargo, it's just that simple. So come and see us when you're ready here at Bill Caldwell Ford. Let us help you pick out your vehicle and your accessories.
The automotive solution. You feel better in a Bill Caldwell Ford.